Today I will talk about how can you add questions on your Waplog app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go here, go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on add questions, just click on it. And here add your questions here in this list on your Waplog app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.